If you were to travel by boat on the River Moon in Norway, you would be met by a somewhat nasty, though breathtaking surprise. A surprise involving a sudden 302-foot vertical drop. Manafossen. Moonfalls, if you will. It is considered by some to be one of the world's most remarkable sights. Tiny trickles of melted snowcaps culminate into a gravity-induced torrent of pure might. Filling the air with a thick mist strewn with rainbows. To get there, you will not only have to drive through a 3,500-meter tunnel, you will also have to climb steep terrain, clenching chains and trees along the way, until the pathways open up to deliver a panoramic view of this famous waterfall.